Hi friends, let us look at today's some of the important news. Yesterday was a black day for Indian stock market and investors. BSE Sensex has gone down by almost about 1703 points or almost about 3.4% and closed at 47,883 points. This is mainly due to the increase in corona cases in India. Hence, people feel that Indian economy may slow down, which has caused such a drastic fall in the Sensex. Some of the shares which have seen drastic falls were SBI, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank, etc. Some people see this as an opportunity to enter the market because future growth story of India is still intact. This is only temporary phenomena which may also pass on. Tata Consulting Services has announced result for the last quarter, that is from January 2021 to March 2021. It has shown increase in sales and net profit also increased by 15%. They have booked very large number of orders during this quarter also. This shows that IT industry will give very good results during this quarter and some more companies are going to come with the results also. Cement sector is also going to show very good sales and the profit during the last quarters. Inflation rate in India in the month of March was at 5.5%. Unemployment during the last 15 weeks was very high at the rate of 8.5%. Factory output data, which is available for the month of February, has shown a decline of almost about 3.4%. This again is a cause of concern. Total corona active cases in India is at highest at 12 lakhs numbers, which is very serious, and in future if we do not control, then again the economy will slow down. Nomura, which is one of the leading international agency, has predicted that GDP growth for India for current year, which was projected earlier at 12.5%, will be now reduced to 11.5% due to this second wave of corona and hence the Indian economy slowing down. Gold prices are continue to get reduction. Rupee is also showing continuous decline against dollar. $1 is now equal to almost about rupees 75. This is also very serious, and if the future this is not controlled, then again our import will go up and this will again affect overall Indian economy. Automobile sector has given results which shows sales during the year April 2020 to March 2021 were substantially lower than the period that is from April 2019 to March 2020. Passenger vehicle sales were down by 2.2%. Commercial vehicle sales were down by 20%. Three-wheeler sales were down by 66% and two-wheeler sales were down by 13%. This reduction is causing concern for the automobile industries and other industries because lot of ancillary companies depend upon automobile. Hence, there will be overall effect on the majority of the industry. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.